Morning, guys. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, it's too early. Can't make no even nice. How about them? So, guys, this morning I am heading to the pig pen. Mommy, I look about the pig there. You know, so I have to take livestock serious now because, all the mosquito over here. Because Corona out and stunting. My uncle around this, so I'm going to feed the cow there. My mother going to feed the pig there. So, we're going to catch that on fire. Alright, pig pen. Show them how we are going to survive. And the crux them out. So, I want a little truck. Where you call them there? Far? Oh. I want a little truck to go over a little pig pen I have. I don't know big pig pen, but it's a little pig pen. Eh, me think tea never there. Think it's a tea gone. Wow. Some of me all on your plans this morning. Eh? Yeah. You know, say me have one pig like this one time, River killing me, remember him? Yeah, just like that color, yeah. Yeah, what it? Yeah. Are we catching back? No, you ain't there, we find him dead. Just like that color, yeah. Cool your pig. Pig them big man. It's a brand. A brand this time, mother. So, so you can't mix them and this hour. Brand. It's a two brand. Woman, big thing. Woman. Them pretty though. Them pretty. So, me not eat no something there. I eat meat again, so now I get none of this. I don't know if I forgot to start back so I'll go on. Right there, so I nipple them but then get water out of. So connect your water. Right there, so and you can when they're thirsty. So wanna suck it there. When they're thirsty, then get you out of nipple. Okay, this one there. Okay. How the pig over here, mommy? Hey, watch me there. So me have my tripod because me want to go workout right now. Cutting our workout time. What you gonna do? Train I tank. Mommy see. Bob! Me use one box, give me one box. Just fully, we go take you. Push it down in there. Kill me. Now call my teacher. So guys, the government has said that we should prepare for a full lockdown of the country. In my belt, for a full lockdown of the country. With that being said, chances are maybe food are a shot, but if food shot, we have food here for a while. We have two common for can lay egg. I'll show you. We have pig. We have some bad dog. We have about 8 bad dog can protect we. We have a lot of trees around we can get fruit from. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the trees that we have. And sitting, what else you have here? Cow, goat. So this was even before the crisis has come about. So we kind of set away. Sitting so. That we don't know. So I'm walking back. Shendaga, eat up mum feed. No. So I'm walking back out. This is the vegetation that I live around. So good. So we have ackee tree. Ackee tree, yeah, so I want a ackee tree. We have apple tree. So one apple tree. Apple up on the tree, but in the top. Oh. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite. So them I go up. We have ackee trees. Outside is a beautiful day today. Apple tree. If you guys watch some of my earlier vlogs, you guys used to see when I come on apple tree. I put up on the tree. And I'm going to show you right now. I'm gonna show you my favorite of all times. I don't know if I love it, but no, I'm showing you now. Jackfruit tree. And this is like, this is my yard. My yard, me now. Tree full of jackfruit, youth. Mommy, none of them not ripe. I'm not spell on. I have to go read this. So I have a lot of trees where we can eat from. We have coconut trees. We have a lot of coconut trees. Give them tree, but not give it them funny. Oh. We have enough coconut tree in our yard. This is just one of them. We have Neesberry tree. So mommy I pick up Neesberry. See, look at your step on it, Neesberry. I'm on it, then look. Fresh. Fresh from the tree. Mommy pick up the rest of Neesberry then. So one big one over here, so. I wanna get green. Dragon. Wanna green. So we just pick up these very often. Mommy, that one I can't eat. When I get picked. I can't eat. These berries will kill people. I want a big and pretty. Try this one. Me one drop in us last night.
Yeah, me and better me.
You know drop heavy.
Mama na ready people.
Over this side I drop man. Yo! When there? Where you go to workout?
Mine.
Where you go? Workout? Yeah. I skip, you go skip now. Right in the front of the yard. Yep. Can use the same rope. Take turns. Come here now. Mom see two more there so. Guys, we have noni tree around there so. Coconut tree, lime tree. Right now I'm so excited. We just get a workout partner. Mommy, are you fan come? Get a work, somebody just call it because the colleague says she have a workout, so I'll deal with you now. I'm not coming by your stuff. I'm not video, Punny. I'm video.